Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty meets expert insight. Have you ever struggled with dry, lackluster hair, yearning for something that brings back that soft, healthy glow? Well, if you've been searching for a product that promises to transform your hair while infusing it with strength and radiance, the ANZA Keratin Healing Oil and Healing Kits might be what you've been waiting for. And before we dive in, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an honest review. ANZA is known for its high-performance hair care products, and the Keratin Healing Oil Kit is no exception. This hair oil promises to not only rejuvenate your locks, but also deliver long-lasting shine, body, and bounce. It's designed to work with all hair types and is formulated without soy, making it a great option for those with sensitivities. The product's star ingredient, keratin, helps to reinforce the hair's strength, making it a powerful ally for damaged or dry hair. Now, how does it actually perform in real-life situations? For the past few weeks, I've been incorporating the ANZA Keratin Healing Oil into my daily routine. And the results? Well, let me walk you through it. I started with the oil, applying it to my damp hair after washing. The texture is smooth and lightweight, nothing too greasy or heavy. One of the things I love about this oil is how easily it absorbed into my hair without leaving any residue. Right away, my hair felt softer and had a noticeable shine. But it wasn't just about the immediate effect. Over time, the oil seemed to reduce frizz and make my hair feel less dry. What really impressed me was how my hair held its bounce throughout the day. Some oils can weigh your hair down, leaving it limp by the afternoon, but not this one. Instead, my hair maintained volume, and I didn't have to constantly touch it up. But like any product, it's not without a few considerations. While it works wonders for my fine hair, I can see how people with thicker hair might need a bit more of the product to see the same effects. Also, while the scent is pleasant, it's quite strong at first, so those sensitive to fragrances may want to keep that in mind. So let's break it down. The ANZA Keratin Healing Oil delivers on its promise of smooth, shiny, and healthy-looking hair. Its lightweight formula makes it a good option for various hair types, from fine to slightly thicker textures. On the downside, those with very coarse hair may not get the same level of deep nourishment with a single application. As for the price, it's on the higher end, but considering the premium ingredients like keratin and the fact that a little goes a long way, I'd say it's a solid investment for anyone looking to restore damaged hair or just add a healthy shine to their strands. If you're considering alternatives, there are certainly other oils on the market. Some might be more budget-friendly, like argan oil-based products, but they don't always pack the same punch when it comes to fortifying hair with keratin. So if you're willing to splurge, the ANZA kit is a great option. Before I finish, is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try this out, check out the link in the comments. The build quality of the ANZA Keratin Healing Oil Kit is top-notch. The packaging feels sturdy, and the bottles are designed to dispense the product with ease. No messy overpouring here. It's clear that ANZA put thought into every detail. I didn't have direct interaction with their customer support, but based on the brand's reputation, I would expect quick and helpful responses if you had any questions about the product. So, who would I recommend this for? If your hair feels dry or lifeless, and you're looking for a treatment that offers both hydration and strength, this could be a great fit. But if you're on a budget or need something with a bit more heaviness for thicker hair, you may want to consider some alternatives. Thank you for watching today's review. If you've used the ANZA Keratin Healing Oil or any other ANZA products, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.